Welcome back, guys. So good to see you again. I know I missed a day, right? But there's been a lot of stuff kicking off. So I've had a lot of issues to sort out, a lot of problems to sort out, and I'm just pre-warning you, there may be a few more delays coming as well. I won't be missing these 4-minute Fridays though, because I can't miss those. But depending on what happens, I may be behind with a few videos because I'll have to sort some stuff out, arrange things. I'll have a lot on plate, more than usual, a lot more than usual. You know, you guys know how busy I am anyway. We're moving swiftly on. That's just a pre-warn. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll throw that in now. Subscribe, hit it now. You may as well. Here, look, I'll wait. Done it? Great, thank you very much. So moving on, we're looking at rule of thirds in smartphone photography. Now, you can get this in many digital cameras and DSLRs. Of course you can. Most of them do it. Some even do it on the viewfinder as well. Note that when you have this grid section or rule of thirds that I'm going to show you, it will not show up on your pictures, okay guys? I get asked that. You wouldn't be able to believe how many times. It's not going to show my picture, is it? No, it's not. Don't worry, it's fine. So, if you've got an iPhone, which most people have, I'm now going to show you how to turn it on. So what we're going to do is we're going to go straight into settings, like so, to camera, which is there, look. Click on camera. See, you've got your menu there saying grid. That's already on. That's your grid. That's your rule of thirds. So you need to turn that on. You've also got other settings in here, meaning you record video. A lot of people don't know about this. You can at 1080p at 60 frames per second, 1080p at 30, so on and so forth. I've been shooting at 4K at the minute, so I've got to leave it on that. And of course you've got other little bits and bobs in there as well that you can just have a look at. But click your grid on, and then that will give you a grid section on your phone. And it will look a little bit like this. You've got the 3x3 grid there, okay? So basically you see where the lines intersect, they cross each other. You need to get those points of interest on the picture. Note it's slightly to the right or slightly to the left. Most beginning photographers tend to try and centralize images like this, you know, like that. But actually this gives you more of an interesting image. In most cases, not all the time, don't get me wrong, it's your own preference, okay? This is just a rule of thirds. That's all it is, it's just a photography tip. Because the eye, when it's looking at a picture, doesn't necessarily focus on the centre. It actually sometimes focuses on the outside edge or quarter of the picture. So if you note, most photographers tend to centralise their main image to one side. If you try and get where they intersect on the main section of the picture, it's going to be a better photo all round. So when you're shooting with a distinct horizontal line or vertical line, try aligning the grid lines with the picture itself. This is a nice little tip to get that lined up, accurate image that you're looking for. Try aligning it with like a wind tower or a point of interest in the photo, and it'll help balance the horizontal or vertical line in the picture itself. So as I said, studies show that when people look at a picture, they tend to focus on the areas just around the centre of the photo, not directly at it. So if your picture tends to follow a certain flow, try to get those intersecting lines along that image, and people will be attracted to those points within the picture. And as you can see from that image I just shown you a minute ago of the glass, notice that I've actually selected two parts or 2 points of the intersecting lines. Try and do this with most shots, because again, the more you can get in those intersecting lines or in the rule of thirds, the more people are going to be attracted to the image. With the same picture, here it is just a normal shot after it's just picture taken, job done. And then here it is with a few edits on Photoshop. Nothing major, just literally took me 30 seconds to do. With some presets, that's all. So it's amazing what you can do with a few little tricks off your smartphone. This has all been done on my smartphone. None of it's been DSLR, none of it's been professional cameras, not at all. But look how improved the pictures look. So I hope this has helped, guys. Don't forget, slap that subscribe button, backhand the bell, so you stay up to date with all the latest uploads. And yeah, I'll be back. Don't forget to check out the Facebook link below for all creators, any creators that do watch the video. check it out, join up, feel free. And I'll see you on the next vlog, guys.